Kayan, ang atong topic karon is the best people give you a memories. So, the Bible talks about people creating memories with others. Like, number 1, Jesus and his disciples. So, shared meals and laughter and tears, brothers and sisters. So this is the best people give you a memories. Like Jesus, disciples, shared meals, laughter, and tears. Number 2, David and Jonathan. So David and Jonathan, their friendship and loyalty. According to 1 Samuel chapter 18 verse 20. 3. Love with words or speech, but with actions and in truth. Another verse, number 3. John 13 verse chapter 34 and 35. It says, love one another as I have loved you. By this everyone will know you are my disciples. Thank you and God bless to all. Our topic for today is about love is nothing without action. So, meaning love in action. So, I think I get it. Bible verse that back this up. James 2 verse 17. Faith without works is dead. So, brothers and sisters, our faith without work is like dead. Another verse,